Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, February 14th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, this was a typical Freaky Friday, just crazy as hell. And we ended up basically breaking even. We're probably lucky to break even under the circumstances, but um, break even we did. I'll show you the Dow here first, and then I'll discuss our statistics. The Dow opened unchanged and then immediately started going lower and then rallied the last 45 minutes or so and ended up negative 25. So this is hardly a sell off, but it's just kind of a market that wasn't going anywhere today. It started out really good for us. Um, when stocks opened up, we're up, I think, something like $13,000 right after the open. But things did deteriorate from there. We ended up closing out positive just under $10,000. That's the good news. The bad news is we got into six positions. One was positive, five were negative, and we're carrying negative $10,000 on those six positions going over the weekend into Monday. So our positives were canceled out by the negatives. The only thing is that the positive number or positive 10K is closed out, whereas the negative 10K in our open positions is just that. They're open. And we have been recently, the last 3-4 trades or so, we've been having this very lucky experience of having negative open trade going to positive for our exits. Well, I don't know, $10,000 negative is a lot to overcome, but maybe we'll get lucky on Monday. It's anybody's guess. If I was looking at the chart, I would predict that the Dow will go up on, well, if it was trading tomorrow, I'd say it'd definitely go up. The problem is with predicting what's going to happen on Monday depends a lot on the crazy things that can happen over the weekend. So, um, there's all kinds of crazy news out there, and something could happen that could move the market either way. Anyway, I'm not going to lose sleep over it. I just will tell you, stock market can be very unpredictable. I have only one stock that I'm going to show you, but it is kind of interesting. This is INO, which is Inovio Pharmaceuticals. And we had bought this yesterday. Big gap up. We buy the gaps. It moved pretty nicely in our favor and then pulled back toward the end. It did not look really super good there. But wow, this morning this thing just opens up in the sky, and right up here at the top, this thing, we were up like $11,000 on this. Unfortunately, it starts to fade, and we're hanging on to it, and then we're stopped out right there. And we're stopped out with 7,000 profit. So that's a good way to get stopped out with $7,000 in profit. And I would be happy with it if we just kind of maybe left it alone. But no, this is Freaky Friday, and this is a wild and unpredictable market. It went down for a little bit, about an hour there, and then we have this huge upside bar spike, I'm not sure what was going on there, but we ended up getting re-entered on that thing. Goes a little bit profitable, and then it starts drifting a negative again, and so we're down $1,700 in open trade on Inovio Pharmaceuticals after having taken out $7,000 in profits with this stopped out position. So what's going to happen? Well, actually, I look at the chart and everything. This doggone thing could gap up again on Monday, just like it gapped up today, and we'll really clean the table with this. But I don't know. I just don't know. It's anybody's guess. We just trade the system. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Anyway, hey, happy Valentine's Day to everybody. And this is Trader Bob signing off. Be back here on Monday trading as usual.